isn't just another afternoon, it's a celebration of dreams taking flight. As we gather under the warmth of togetherness, let's open our hearts to music, dance, laughter, and limitless joy. It is my pleasure to welcome you all for the annual day celebration of Little Star English High School. When special people enter, ordinary moments turn extraordinary. With this thought, your gracious presence enhances the significance of this event. तो आइए इस यादों से बुनी महफिल का हिस्सा बनिए. Let your heart sway with every melody, let your smiles brighten with every performance, and let this afternoon fill with warmth, joy, and togetherness. I am also joined on by stage by my wonderful co-anchors, Rushda Khan, Tanvi Saddive, Zainab Khan, Amna Rasha, and Anushka Ragade, who will be sharing the spotlight and keeping the energy flowing. Thank you, and let the celebration begin. Parents, please put our big round of applause for them. Today's gathering is a big round of applause for each one of you for being here. And I believe this is just the start of something beautiful together. Welcome to Little Star English High School Annual Day Celebration themed Retro Revival. Today, we take pride as we successfully completed 52 years of our journey, our dream in educating and building the future of millions. Once again, welcome to Little Star English High School Annual Day Celebration. Guidance is a gift, but inspiring guidance is an art, and our principal masters it beautifully. Ladies and gentlemen, we now invite our beloved principal, Sabha Khan ma'am, to deliver the welcome speech.
Friends, a very warm good afternoon to all the wonderful people present here. Luckily, the weather is aligned with our wishes. I and son, a very warm welcome. It's a pleasure to start our 52nd auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming you all. It's indeed a beautiful afternoon, all soaked in cultural theme. I extend my respectful welcome to our director ma'am and our president sir. Ma'am, welcome you, sir, welcome you. My respectful welcome to Mrs. Andhra Banerjee, the principal of Kids Pride English High School. Dear audience, I'm sure many of you have taken a big effort to join with us. Thank you for coming and making this program a success. A special welcome to all the lovely parents who came to see the kids performing over here. It's really honored for all of us to be surrounded by so many wonderful and blessed people. On behalf of Little Star family, I, Sabha Khan, appreciated your efforts and welcome you all for this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your gracious welcome. Your words remind us of the spirit and togetherness of celebration. We now move towards a movement that symbolizes purity, wisdom, and new beginning. As the saying goes, light is the music of universe and knowledge is the rhythm that guides it. With the same spirit of positivity and enlightenment, may I invite on stage Pranita Miss, Manju Miss, Sonali Miss, Vaishali Miss, along with Antara ma'am, Principal of Kids Pride English High School, respected Principal Sabha Khan ma'am, Vice Principal Sabiha Anjum ma'am, to do the honor of Deep Prajwalan. Let the radiant flame mark the dawn of inspiration, the glow of learning, and the brilliance of Little Star English High School's 52nd Annual Day celebration. For a lamp does not speak, yet it silently shows the way. And tonight, this light shall guide our journey.
हाँ मैम साइड से आ जाइए
ऐसे आ जाओ।
Parents, please put your hands together.
हाँ मैम वही रहे एक क्लिप दो स्क्रीन दो स्क्रीन हाँ लुक एट कैमरा हियर वन थैंक यू Thank you.
Now I request all the eminent personalities to kindly take their seats and make themselves comfortable. We are honored and privileged to have you among us. Dear parents, every school carries within a story, one woven with memories, achievements, and countless moments. To give you a glimpse of the vibrant life and milestones that make this school truly special, we present a short video titled Little Star at a Glance. Just now, you have experienced the vibrant life and milestones that make this school truly special. Please give a huge round of applause for Little Star English High School. And now, the movement we all are been waiting for. It's time to start our celebration. For that, I'm inviting my wonderful co-anchors, Rushda and Amna, up to the stage to continue the celebration.
Good morning, everyone present here. When music begins, magic follows. May this moment light up the entire celebration. Before the gathering blossoms into its full splendor, let us open the gates of our celebration with the melody that speaks the language of joy.
Yes, of course, Rajda. In the gentle hush of this moment, when hearts are aligned and smile blooms like petals, our welcome song rises as the fragrance of afternoon.
So we would like to call upon our beautiful girls to come on stage and enlighten it with their melodious voice.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause. Thank you.
Welcome the stage. Friends, give it up for our talented singers.
Wow, what a melodious performance. Every sunrise is God saying, welcome home, there's always a place for you. And we, the family of Little Star, welcome you all on this very auspicious day. When feet meet rhythm, the celebration begins. A welcome dance is always expressive. It's bring a delightful feeling of love.
Yes, Tanvi, you are right. How beautiful you describe the welcome dance. So, here are the girls of Little Star, ready to welcome you all.
With their beautiful classical moves on the tune, Swagatam, Shubharam and Ayo Rishubdinayo. Thank
Now,
you.
I would like to call the girls to present their welcome dance. Parents, please put your hands together. Thank you.
This is how Little Star welcomes you all.
Wow,
What an enchanting performance!
Now, let the air fill with the warm crackle of a vintage, a retro groom that whips us back to the carefree afternoons of the 70s.
As those nostalgic notes swirl, we are thrilled to announce that our nursery stars are ready to light up the stage with a delightful dance on the tune of Itti Si Hasi, Itti Si Khushi.
Ita sa tukda chand ka. Get ready to be swept away by the sparkling smiles and rhythmic joy.
Our tiniest performers deserve the biggest applause. Parents, please put your hands together.
Aw, Zainab, did you see that? Itti Si Hasi literally brought Itti Si Khushi on everyone's face.
Indeed, Amna.
Now, let's shift gears for a moment as Standard 8 bring us an important social message. Through the powerful medium of drama, they will address us two crucial issues: child labor and right to universal compulsory education.
Every child deserves childhood, education, and the freedom to dream. This thought-provoking skit will remind us of our responsibility towards society. So please welcome Standard 8 for their meaningful skit. Thank you.
बाल श्रम नहीं, शिक्षा अधिकार है, यही सच्चा मानव धर्म है.
Such a powerful message they have delivered. Please put your hands together. They deserve loud claps.
What a brilliant skit. Thank you so much, Standard 8, for giving this wonderful message. Our bright little star up to the floor with their energy and joy.
That's right, Tanvi. Our delighted dancers. That's right, Tanvi. Our delighted tune of Chota Bacha. Our tiny dancers will spin, twirl, and bring smile to every face. Let's give them a big warm welcome and get ready to be charmed.
Please welcome our KG stars for their performance that promises giggles and beats. Wow, what a burst of sunshine and energy. Before we continue with our musical journey, let us take a moment here to honor a true legend of India, a man who inspired millions with his integrity and humility. Standard 5th present a heartfelt tribute to one of the India's greatest humanitarian, Sri Ratan Tata ji.
His legacy continues to inspire generations, and today our young performers pay homage to this extraordinary personality. Let's welcome Standard 5th with a respectful round of applause for their tribute to Sri Ratan Tata ji. A heartfelt tribute to our true legend, Sri Ratan Tata ji.
Wow, that was such a heartfelt tribute to a true legend.
As we glide into the next segment, let's set our mood to the classic that never fails to lift our spirit, Hawa Hawai.
These breezy tunes are about to take flight. Thanks to our amazing KG dancers, please cheer for them.
કેમ છો તન્વી?
મજામાં અનુષ્કા.
તન્વી, ગુજરાતીને પહેચાન શું છે?
ગરબો, ઘાઘરો, દયા ભાભી અને ઘેરનો ગરમ સ્વાગત.
સાચે કહું તન્વી, ગરબો તો ગુજરાતીને રગ રગ में बसे છે.
Yes, now presenting by the students of standard 9th and 10th to dazzle you with their foot tapping performance on the tune Dholi Taro Dhol Baje, Dhol Baje. So please welcome them.
Thank you.
Wow, Gujarat was alive on the stage.
Wow, our Dholi Taro performers just turned the stage into full Gujarati vibe.
The expression, the twirls, everything was electrifying.
Hey Anushka, the auditorium is buzzing with colors and the beats already ticking.
That's right, Tanvi. Our tiny tots are about to turn the stage into a splash of blue with Aaj blue hai pani pani.
So let's roll out a red carpet for our prep stars.
And please give them a big splashy welcome. Thank you.
Parents, please put your hands together.
Wow, that was such a cool and cute performance. Give them a huge hand.
So once again, the students are ready with their bags on shoulders.
Yes, we are talking about our prep superstars. The same kids who can finish a full chocolate bar in few seconds, but need more than 10 minutes just to wear one shoe.
And today, they are here with a song that perfectly describes every Monday morning in every household. A song that parents know too well. A song that children sing from the bottom of their heart. School nahi jana main.
Parents, please give them a huge round of applause as they are coming to charm you, entertain you, and maybe this is the right time they will convince you that school nahi jana.
How they have made every moment count.
Anushka, I think that was the sweetest no school protest ever.
Yes, Amna.
From the royal land of Rajasthan comes a dance form that speaks of grace, tradition, and royal elegance.
Yes, Amna. The majestic Ghumar, a dance that has mesmerized audience for generations.
Our graceful performers from Standard 4 are ready to take us to the royal courts of Rajasthan. With their swirling ghagras and elegant moves, they will transport us to the world of royalty.
Let's welcome Standard Fort with their magnificent Ghumar performance. Thank you.
5, 4.
The grace of Rajasthan was flowing on the stage.
Zainab, did you notice Ghumar just turned our stage into a royal courtyard?
That's right, Rushda. The colors, the energy, the circles was simply mesmerizing. Our Standard 10 boys are here with another energetic performance,
Ramaiya Fusion.
a song that became an instant hit with its catchy beats and groovy moves. This is a perfect blend of retro vibes with modern energy.
Let's give a massive welcome to all our Standard 10 boys. Come on everyone, let's cheer for them.
To take us back to the golden era of Bollywood.
Wow, what energy, what synchronization. Our boys absolutely nailed it.
Our next performance celebrates the joy of learning and the magic of education.
Very true, Tanvi.
Yes, to present this, here are the students of Standard 7 with their beautiful dance on
Avadmala Shikshanachi.
Wow, what an enchanting performance.
या चिमुकल्या कलाकारांसाठी प्रेमाची टाळी होऊन जाऊन द्या. टाळ्याचं कौतुक व्यक्त करूया. चला, आपली टाळी म्हणजे त्यांच्यासाठी प्रेरणा आहे.
Truly beautiful.
We believe that joint family is where life begins and love never ends. Our youngest dancers understand this beautiful bond.
To kickstart this celebration, we have our adorable stars from Standard First who will showcase the warmth and love of family through their delightful performance.
With the real dialogue into their dance, they are about to melt your heart.
Let's welcome Standard First with their heart-touching presentation, Family Thin Mashup.
Thank you.
Family values portrayed perfectly on the stage. Parents, clap for these little ones.
Wow, wasn't that absolutely adorable?
Indeed, Sanam. And now, it's time to begin our journey. From retro to metro, from classic to the contemporary.
Our next performers from Standard First will take us on this magical journey with the iconic song Fir Milenge Chalte Chalte.
This beautiful mashup bridges the gap between yesterday and today, perfectly embodying our theme, Retro Revival.
Let's welcome Standard First with their energetic dance, Retro to Metro Mashup.
what a spectacular performance!
लाइफ में हिंदी फिल्मों की तरह अंत में सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है और अगर ठीक ना हो तो वो अंत नहीं.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to celebrate the king of romance, the Badshah of Bollywood.
By only stretching his hands, he has grabbed the entire world in his heart. For over 3 decades, one man has ruled all our hearts and defined what it means to be a superstar. And because of this, Shah Rukh Khan continues to win the hearts of all the youngsters. From Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge to Pathaan, he has given us countless memories.
Standard 6 present a spectacular performance to one and only Shah Rukh Khan.
This is the appreciation for winning national award.
तालियां और जोर से होनी चाहिए. एसआरके के अंदाज में जोरदार ताली हो जाए.
Absolutely phenomenal. That was a great appreciation to our King Khan. Audience, now it's time to hold your breath and turn up the excitement because something big is happening.
Really, Tanvi?
Yes, the stage is about to shake with unstoppable energy by the students of Standard 8.
They are ready, they are charged, and they are all thrilled to make you groove in your seats. Because here come the rocking stars of Standard 8 to perform on the tunes of
सितारों की महफिल में.
Shine bright with every step.
Wow, what a fantastic performance.
Our performers from Standard 3rd are all here to showcase the essence of Marathi folk with
गळ्यात साखळी सोन्याची
ही
पोरी कोणाची. So please welcome them.
Wow, truly mesmerizing. That was a beautiful celebration of our Maharashtrian culture.
To take us through the journey and achievements of this year, I now invite Tanvi Sattive to present the annual report. Let us welcome her with a round of applause.
A very warm and cheerful welcome to one and all present here. Honorable President, Mr. Mohammad Aslam Khan Sir, Honorable Director, Mrs. Anamika Supekar Ma'am, Respected Principal, Mrs. Sabha Khan Ma'am, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I, Tanvi Saddive, have the great privilege to present before you the annual progress report of Little Star English High School. A year defined by growth, creativity and written to the timeless beauty of past through our theme, Retro Revival. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream. With this thought, our school embraced the essence of retro culture, its music discipline, simplicity, iconic values, and evergreen charms. Our students have not merely learned, they have rediscovered the elegance of old while stepping confidently into the future. The foundation of Little Star English High School was led by Mrs. Tarabai Supekar Madam in the year 1972 under the banner of Sri Sainath Education Society. And after Madam Tarabai Supekar, Mr. Prithviraj Supekar Sir successfully led these eliminating stars to the heights of success. Our Honorable Director, Mrs. Anamika Supekar Ma'am, and our Honorable President, Mr. Mohammad Aslam Khan Sir, always believe in this mantra. Their hard work and dedication have led to constant growth of Little Star English High School. Our Honorable Director, Mrs. Anamika Supekar Ma'am, her dedication and devotion left no stone unturned to reach success in all walks of life. Our Honorable President, Mr. Mohammad Aslam Khan Sir, always stands strong like a rock and steady in every situation. as we share our yearly update and our school. And we are proud to our students and teachers who work hard to do their best. Our focus is on helping each student in every way, not just in academic, many projects, studies, extracurricular activities that have gone well. The success is sum of small effort, repeated day in and day out. This year, the school reopened on 10th June 2025, a new year filled with fresh enthusiasm and innovative ideas. There is a great saying, education is often said to yield intangible reward that surpass material gains. On 21st June 2025, we celebrated International Yoga Day with great success. Students participated in awareness rally highlighting the benefit of yoga, followed by guided session of asanas and breathing exercise. To train our students in a democratic pattern of government, student parliament was established. Council election has been taken to bring out the spirit of leadership among these students. We also conducted a meaningful tree plantation day by an awareness rally. Students marched with eco-friendly slogans spreading the message of protecting nature. On 15th August 2025, we celebrated Independence Day with great joy. Students participated in patriotic song competition, dance competition, and speech competition, and gave tribute to our great freedom fighters. In spite of the academic, we also focus on co-curricular activities. On 17 September, the young mind of our school came together to form the map of India, symbolizing unity, discipline, and love for our nation. Our dedicated teachers consistently work to build confidence and communication skill in our students by organizing activities such as poem recitation competition, elocution competition, debate competition, and reading competition. We are happy to share the glad news. Our students who appeared for the year 2024 to 2025 SSC board exam passed with good percentage and came out with flying colors. We achieved 100% result. The elementary drawing exam showcased the creative talent of our students. Various competitive exams like Science Olympiad exam, Maths Olympiad exam, and Scholarship exam conducted by the students of Standard 5th and 8th. In spite of the activities, we also focus on co-curricular activities. The graduation day of primary section was held on 23rd April, was a joyful and proud celebration. To highlight the importance of Hindi language, Hindi Divas was celebrated with great success, and our students got trophy certificate for their excellent performance. The science is the art of learning curiosity into knowledge. With this thought, this year our school celebrates science exhibition held on 28 February. The school picnic to Srushti Agrotourism held on 9 December filled with great success and memorable moments. Our sports segments shine with rugby, football, skating, and cricket, all organized through inter-school matches. And we are extremely proud to recognize the outstanding achievement of Arnav Manoj Jadhav from our school, who has showcased the exceptional talent by participating in various district and state level swimming competition. He won 6 gold medals, 9 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals. Apart from this, Aryan Shinde went for cricket tournament. He played well and won the title of Man of Match. Asmita Vilasrao Tayade went for karate competition. Our Honorable Director, Mrs. Anamika Supekar ma'am, for her valuable guidance in every walks of life to make us perfect by dedicating this share to our dear ma'am. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है। यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़िया से कैसा बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है। I would like to thank to our Honorable President, Mr. Mohammad Aslam Khan sir, for always being a guiding light by dedicating this share. परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेंगी यकीनन, ये उनके खुले हुए पर बोलते हैं। परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेंगी यकीनन, ये उनके खुले हुए पर बोलते हैं। अक्सर वही लोग खामोश होते हैं जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। A great leaders whose confidence and support inspired us. I would like to thank to our respected principal, Mrs. Sabah Khan ma'am, for her guidance. Last but not the least, I would like to thank authorities, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends for always being with us. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you so much, Tanvi, for taking us through the journey of Little Star English High School by presenting the annual report.
Amna, are you ready to be blown away?
Yes, Zainab, as our fabulous and beautiful girls of 7th standard are ready to blow the stage with high energy and breathtaking dance on the tune of
Chale Hawaii.
and Hawa Hawaii.
Let's give them a thunderous round of applause as they take over the stage.
Absolutely stunning.
Ladies and gentlemen, who can forget the charms of old Bollywood melodies? The song that made our grandparents dance and hit our parent nostalgia.
That's right, Tanvi. And one such a timeless classic is Mera Juta Hai Japani.
Our talented dancers from Standard 2nd are here to take us back to the golden era with his retro hits mashup.
Let's welcome them.
Wow, what a mesmerizing performance! पेरेंट्स से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो विसल करके एटमॉस्फेयर को खराब ना करे।
Rushda, did you see that? Our young dancers just proved that old is truly gold.
Indeed, Zainab. Wonderful people. Sit back and relax.
क्योंकि अब आने वाला है वो परफॉर्मेंस जिसमें डांस से ज्यादा एटीट्यूड होगा।
Steps होंगे,
स्लो मोशन में,
expressions होंगे,
फुल बॉलीवुड
और energy होंगी।
2% बैटरी मोड पर presenting the blockbuster performance of the evening. Our funny dance by our very own Standard 10 superstars.
ये वो डांसर्स है जो चलेंगे नहीं, स्लाइड करेंगे,
कूदेंगे नहीं, जूम आउट होंगे
और थकेंगे भी फिल्मी
फिल्मी
स्टाइल
स्टाइल
में।
में।
Let's welcome Standard 10th on stage.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, our young dancers, for making us laugh.
Amna, that was not just a performance, that was a full comedy blockbuster.
Yes, Zainab. We all know that we are living in a technical, mechanical, and AI-driven world. A world where screen glow brighter than the sunlight, when notification speaks louder than people's.
That's absolutely right, Amna. In this modern lifestyle, something surprising has happened. Kids are now connected to mobile phones from the womb of their mothers.
But don't worry, Standard 2nd is here to reflect this reality into cutest, smartest, and most entertaining way. Let's welcome them with cheerful hearts.
Thank you.
What a meaningful performance that speaks to every home, every parent, and every child. पेरेंट्स, ये स्किट आपको ये बताने के लिए था कि आप बच्चों को फ़ोन से दूर रखिए। We are giving.
Very true. Please keep away your kids from the mobile. This is humble request.
पेरेंट्स कवाली के लिए रेडी हो? प्लीज शो मी योर हैंड्स. पेरेंट्स कवाली के लिए रेडी हो? और जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
आदाब आदाब.
तो अर्ज किया है,
इरशाद इरशाद.
नजर को नजर की नजर से ना देखो, नजर को नजर की नजर लग ना जाए.
वाह 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 वाह. आप भी बोलिए वाह वाह.
जनाब
वाह,
आप भी
वाह.
बोलिए वाह 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 वाह.
ज़ैनब, अब हम भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. समझ समझ के समझो, समझना भी एक समझ है. समझ समझ के जो ना समझे वो मेरी समझ में ना समझ है.
So Amina, get ready because after such shari, you surely know what's coming next. Our Khawwals from Standard 7th are here with a Khawwali fused with energetic dance.
Yes, Zainab, the moment we all are waiting for. Khawwali is about to begin.
वाह 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 वाह.
वाह, इस खवाली ने तो महफिल में चार चांद सजा दी.
Love, romance, and beautiful melodies. The retro era gave us songs that touches our heart forever. And one such a gem is soulful. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार. This timeless melody speaks of innocence, grace, and joy found in someone's smile.
Our talented performers from Standard 3rd are all set to recreate the magic of retro romance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Wow, they have truly revived our theme retro revival.
Beautiful, truly beautiful.
Galla Gudia is a song that instantly gets everyone grooving.
Our talented dancers from Standard 6 coming on stage with their energetic track.
With their colorful costumes, they are about to light up the stage.
Wow, that was truly mesmerizing.
That was a pure entertainment.
And now, the moment we all have been waiting for. We, the students of Standard 9 and 10, are here to showcase the ultimate retro revival.
This performance is the combination of our theme, a perfect blend of classic retro hits revival with modern energy. Standard 9 and 10 has incredibly worked to create a performance that honors the past while celebrating the present.
It is not just a performance, it's a celebration of timeless music and dance.
Parents, please put your hands together.
Wow, what a performance from the classic to contemporary.
Amna, did you notice? The transition from retro to metro was seamlessly beautiful. Give them a huge hand.
And now, it's time to turn up the energy to the maximum. From the vibrant world of South Indian cinemas comes an electrifying Kuthu dance form.
Our performers from Standard 4th are all set to bring the auditorium down with a super energetic dance. This is going to be high energy, high voltage, and absolutely explosive.
So get ready to clap, cheer, and feel the energy. Come on, everyone, let's cheer for them.
Wow, they set the floor on fire.
Wow! Wow, that was an explosive performance.
And now, it's time to truly revive the retro disco era. The 70s and 80s gave us disco revolution, a time when dance floors lit up with glittering balls and funky moves.
That's right, Amna. Disco music never really died. It just waited to be revived by the new generation.
Standard 8 is here to take us back to the golden disco era.
Get ready for the bell bottoms, groovy moves, and pure disco magic.
Let's give a disco welcome to Standard 8. Turn
Turn
up
up
the
the lights!
जी हाँ, lights on.
Wow, that was disco fantastic. Absolutely groovy. They brought 70s back to life.
Oh, balle balle, oh shava shava, oh balle balle, oh shava shava.
And now let's bring back energy with some vibrant Punjabi beats. Punjab, the state, has a unique combination of 5 rivers. It has given us music that makes everyone want to dance, no matter what the occasion is.
Our Punjab de Munde and Punjab de Korea are ready to rock and make you all dance on the tune of Bolo Tararara.
Get ready for dhol beats, bhangra moves and pure celebration.
Let's give it up for Standard 5th once again with their foot-tapping Punjabi performance.
Perfect tribute to a true legend, Dharmender Paji.
Our Punjab de Munde and Punjab de Korea has changed the whole atmosphere into Punjabi culture.
ऑडियंस एक मिनट, ये कोई नॉर्मल एंट्री नहीं है, ये साउथ वाली एंट्री है। फिल्म में जैसे लास्ट सीन सबसे धमाकेदार होता है, वैसे ही हमारे शो का सबसे बड़ा फायर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
स्टेज ने अभी तक जितना शाइन करना था कर लिया, अब उसे सुपरस्टार लेवल ग्लो देने आ रहे हैं ये परफॉर्मर्स।
साउथ में कहते हैं क्लाइमेक्स स्ट्रांग हो तो पूरी पिक्चर सुपर हिट हो जाती है, और आज हमारे शो का ये परफॉर्मेंस सबसे सुपर हिट होगा।
एनर्जीफुल, स्वैगफुल, एटीट्यूडफुल, बस ऑडियंस का एनर्जी मोड ऑन हो जाए, क्योंकि अब आ रहा है द फाइनल, द फिनाले, द अल्टीमेट, साउथ का स्वैग।
ऑडियंस एनर्जी मोड ऑन हो गया। The final performance of the evening. All the South fans. Wow, what ending!
Ayyo Tanvi, what a dhamakedar ending.
Yes, that was a breathtaking performance of this eve.
Dear parents, Mazaya. Now here is a very important announcement. Parents, listen it carefully. From tomorrow onwards, that is 21st of December till 31st of December, our school is having Christmas holidays. Now to conclude our program, I express our sincere thanks. For that, I am inviting Rusda Khan on the stage to present vote of thanks.
Good evening everyone present here. It is rightly quoted that great works are not just created by plans, but by the passion and dedication of the people behind them. With this inspiring thought, I, Khan Rushda, feel privileged to stand before you all and give our vote of thanks on behalf of the management, principal, staff, and students. To begin with, we offer our heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty, whose blessings guide us and give us the strength to fulfill our goals and aspirations. Our sincere thanks to the esteemed president of Little Star English High School, Mr. Muhammad Aslam Khan sir, and to our honorable director, Madam Anamika, for planning and executing this magnificent event with such dedication. A very warm thanks to dear respected Principal Sabah Khan ma'am and to Vice Principal Sabia Anjum ma'am for their constant encouragement, guidance and support throughout this program. A very warm thanks to all the dear teachers who have collectively put in huge and tough efforts to make this evening more memorable. Your hard work has truly paid off. My sincere thanks to the choreographer, Mr. Aslam sir, along with his team, Shubham sir, Akshay sir, Siddharth sir, for your creativity and hard work. The commitment and passion you bring to your art has beautifully reflected in every performance. I would like to thank the sound and lighting department, especially Mr. Sabir Ali, along with his team, for enlightening the whole atmosphere. Lastly, my sincere thanks to the non-teaching staff for being the strong helping hands behind the scene. Finally, a very warm thanks to all the dear parents. We are truly grateful to you for your valuable time to come here and show your valuable blessings. Thank you for your valuable time. With this, we bring our event to a graceful close. Carrying with us, I would also like to thank the principal of Kids Pride English High School, Antara ma'am, for coming here and blessing the event with her graceful. With this, we bring our event to a graceful close, carrying with us the hope that we'll meet soon, again filled with the same energy, joy, and dazzling performances at our next event. I would like to stop here with a beautiful quote. Every ending carries a promise of another beginning. Tonight, we say goodbye, but tomorrow, we return, rising and shining. Wishing you all a very beautiful evening. Goodbye.
Here I also want to thank Master Ajay sir, choreographer, for training our students so well. The best choreographer we had. I request all the parents to please stand up for national anthem. I request all the teachers to please come up on the stage.